Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for every fast food lover. Fast food fails, what not to eat. Whether you're grabbing a quick bite or indulging in a cheat meal, it's important to know which items to avoid. Stick around to find out which fast food fails you should steer clear of to maintain a healthier lifestyle. Let's kick things off with high-calorie burgers. While burgers are a fast food staple, some options are loaded with unhealthy ingredients. Take, for example, the infamous triple-stacked burgers. These monsters can pack over 1,000 calories and a day's worth of fat in just one meal. Opt for single-patty burgers with lots of veggies instead. Next up, fried chicken. It's hard to resist, but some options are particularly bad. Items like the double-breaded deep-fried chicken sandwiches can be extremely unhealthy. These are often high in trans fats, which can lead to heart disease. Grilled chicken sandwiches or tenders are a much better choice. Salads might seem like a safe bet, but beware of the sugar-laden options. Many fast food salads come with sugary dressings, fried toppings, and other unhealthy add-ons. A simple Caesar salad can sometimes contain more calories and fat than a burger. Always go for salads with light dressings and fresh ingredients. Let's not forget about sides. Fries, onion rings, and cheese curds are delicious but often come fried and loaded with salt and unhealthy fats. These can quickly add unnecessary calories to your meal. Swap them out for a side salad, fruit cup, or baked potato for a healthier alternative. Desserts are another area where fast food fails big time. Items like milkshakes, sundaes, and fried pies can contain shocking amounts of sugar and fat. A large milkshake can have more calories than your entire meal. If you crave something sweet, try fruit or yogurt instead. Sugary drinks are a major culprit in fast food fails. Sodas, sweetened teas, and specialty coffee drinks can contain an overwhelming amount of sugar. A large soda can have up to 50 grams of sugar or more. Stick to water, unsweetened iced tea, or sparkling water to stay hydrated without the extra calories. Processed meats like hot dogs and sausages are often high in sodium, nitrates, and unhealthy fats. These can increase your risk of heart disease and other health issues. If you're in the mood for meat, look for options with lean, unprocessed meats. Nachos might be tempting, especially with all those toppings, but they can be a nutritional nightmare. Loaded nachos often come with high-calorie cheese, sour cream, and processed meats. They can easily exceed your daily calorie intake in one sitting. Go for simpler, less topped versions or share them with friends. Burritos can be a hidden trap. The overstuffed versions filled with rice, beans, cheese, sour cream, and meat can pack in over 1,000 calories. To avoid this, choose burritos with more veggies and lean protein, and skip the extras like cheese and sour cream. Fast food nuggets may seem like a quick and easy option, but they often contain questionable ingredients and fillers. They are typically deep-fried and can be very high in unhealthy fats. If you must have nuggets, look for grilled versions or make them at home. So there you have it, a rundown of fast food fails to avoid. Remember, it's all about making smarter choices even when you're on the go. By steering clear of these unhealthy options, you can enjoy fast food without derailing your diet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and food facts.